Okay, this is conchem unit 15 review, question 10. How many grams of solute are present in 6 liters of a 6 molar lithium fluoride solution? So the first rule that I've told you guys to follow every single time you see a question like this is when you see that capital M, that means molarity, which means that you need to get rid of it and you need to turn it into its proper units. So the first thing you do is you cross it out and you change it into moles per liter. And what this means is that this particular solution has a concentration of 6 moles for every 1 liter. Once you have that information, now you can use that information to get to whatever answer they want. So in this case, they're asking for how many grams of solute are present. So we need to take our units of molarity here, and we need to find a way to get them converted into grams of solute. Right now we know that there's 6 moles of solute for every liter. So the question is, how can we get rid of liters? Liters has nothing to do with mass. We want to get rid of it. Well, if we go back to the problem, we can see that they tell us we have 6 liters of solution. So if I do a little dot line here, and I put 6 liters on top, I can get my liters to cancel out. And if my liters cancel out, then that means that now I have converted my number into moles, which is halfway to getting to the answer they want, which is grams of the solute. So 6 times 6 is going to give me 36. I know I have 36 moles of solute. Okay? So now we need to take our moles, which tells us exactly how many particles, molecules, pieces of the compound we have floating around, and turn it into an actual mass. The way we get that is we have to look over here on the right-hand side where they gave us the formula. The formula of this particular substance is LiF. So if we go to the periodic table, we can figure out the molar mass of lithium fluoride. Lithium has a mass of 6.94 grams per mole, and fluorine has a mass of 19 grams per mole. So if we add those together, that gives us 25.94 grams per mole. Now, according to what we figured out using the volume of our solution, we know that we have 36 moles. So once you have the molar mass for your substance, you can then just take that 36 moles and convert it into grams. That's going to be our last step. So we're going to take 36 moles of LiF, lithium fluoride, and this is where you're going to use the molar mass that you've calculated. Remember, units always cancel out diagonally, so you want the moles on the bottom. And according to the periodic table, 1 mole equals whatever the molar mass is that you've calculated. In this case, we said it was 25.94 grams per mole. So 36 times 25.94, and we will get 933.84 grams. And that's your answer.